Alright, so write a function that would get the sum of all the even numbers from 1 to 1,000. You may use a modulus operator for this exercise. So first, you gotta write a function. Sum of even empty string because they're, or empty parameters because they're going to be calling it. Oops, that's a oops. And then we gotta drop into something. Usually it has, first it needs a variable to contain everything. And then it definitely needs a return, and it's going to return that variable. So let's declare it sum,
I'm not gonna lie, my chat is stressing me out today.
which is the sum of all the even numbers. So we know we're going to be adding something.
I'm actually so sad.
What are you sad about?
Just so heavily disappointed.
Why? What happened?
It's actually so sad. I feel like people are constantly asking me to play GTA, and then I play GTA and people are constantly mad about everything I do in GTA. Constantly.
Don't listen to them.
I
Just do
can't.
you, girl. Do you.
Soft, bruh, you need to stop reading the one message out of the thousands, like the how I just read your message out of the thousands. I look over and I read something, and if there's a lot of negative messages, I'm gonna see them more often, and it's gonna be on my head. I can't just not read chat.
Yeah, I feel you. I'm sorry. Must be rough. Alright, I gotta
I
get
can't
back.
just not read chat.
Okay. So you have the sum, and then to contain everything, and then the return, but then we need the closing brackets. Var sum is 0, it doesn't have anything yet. Then we're gonna need a for loop because we're gonna be grabbing from so it's gonna be grabbing from an array if you think about it, because an array holds all the numbers, right? So for let's make a note. Let's declare a variable var I equals 0, and then I need a boolean. I has to be less than 1,000. Oh wait, all the evens, less than 1,001. And I'm gonna increment by 1. So now I need the so I just want the even numbers to come out, right? So I want only the even numbers from this array. So I'm going to need an if statement. So if I equals 0, for I equals 0, you'll start counting these. So this helps, usually this formula here, or this algorithm here helps like sort through the array. Like if if the even number, so make even numbers modulus that equals 0. So if it needs a condition, this is if this happens, if I is even, so I only want to count the even numbers. I say equals 0. So 1 equals 0. If it's an even number, then if it's even 4 var, I equals 0. Okay, so if it's 1, it won't go through that. It needs the sum of all the even numbers. So only if it's even, it will add sum. It will take the sum. The sum equals sum plus equals sum plus 2. Is that right? No. If it's an even number, then we need to contain it in the sum, right? In the variable sum. So sum equals sum plus I. Right? Because, yeah, whatever that variable that goes through. So that even number, so I equals 0. So only 2 is going through. And then if 2 goes through, then it reads this line. 2 plus the sum, which is 0. So then next time the sum comes along, it's going to be 2 plus whatever comes through. That makes sense, right? What do you think, Val?
Well, do you actually mean you're sorry, actually?
I didn't apologize.
Take your mask off and say it to my face.
Alright, whatever. Okay, I think that's right.
Are those real tears?
I mean, I can console dot to check before calling it. Maybe I missed something, but maybe a parentheses. Did I forget a parentheses? Wait, that one, this one, so this one. Wait, I think it's missing one. Let me console log. Let me console log sum right quick.
Where are the customers?
What? Oh, I didn't call it yet.
What is it?
That's what I need to get rid of before it all goes bad. Nah. You sure it would be because we're friends, right?
Sum of even.
Yes.
Not because we're in the same gang or anything.
Did I forget a?
You're gonna hold this all over my head for the rest of my
This
life.
one?
I'm just a little self-conscious.
On 19?
I've never been treated so well
Oh,
by someone
no.
just to be told that it's
What? Wait, what's wrong with the?
it's not because we're cool with it.
Wait, what? Unexpected. Wait, are you not supposed to have a
I'll get over
semicolon at the end?
it. Get over it. I'll get over it.
Oh, I need to run something through. Right? empty string?
Cat, stand up.
Can I? Or empty?
Stand up. I'm gonna call Lana. Oh,
What? Unexpected token.
oh, 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 oh.
Unexpected end of input.
Oh, oh.
I'm confused.
I'm not gonna call Lana.
Oh no, I'm adding it. What am I doing? Oh my god, I'm tripping.
Where are the customers, man? Oh,
Zero.
That's a fold, that's a fold. I'm gonna call April.
What am I missing? Is it because I don't have anything in here? Do I need an
customers here.
argument
What am I
then?
gonna do?
I equals 0.
Girl! Girl! Oh!
So much to update you on.
Girl! Okay, right. Yes, okay. Where are you? Okay.
Chill.
Okay.
I'm in the middle of a thought right now. I'm gonna need y'all to shut up right quick. What time is it? 11 minutes. What is... How do I... Sum plus I. That makes sense, right? Why isn't... Why is it 0 though? Is it because there's no semicolon here? No way. I'm confused. Sum of even. Do I need to run anything through? No, because I'm not using it anywhere. Why isn't it running anything? For I second, then you take the sum plus I. Just cancel out the sum. Why is it 0? Is it because of this? No. We need to have a variable. For loop I equals 0, as long as I is less than 1001. Okay, I 0. Yeah, K 0, but why doesn't it loop? I don't know how to do it. Why is the output only 0? Why is it 0? 2?